So equations reducible to linear form. If a equation is reducible to linear form, then that should be in the form of f dash of y into dy by dx plus f of y into p equals to q. So let us solve problem 1. dy by dx equals to e power x minus y into e power x minus e power y. So this can be written as dy by dx equals to e power x into e power minus y, e power x minus e power y. And this can be written as e power x by e power y into e power x minus e power y. And we know that there is no denominator term in the linear form, so we will bring here, that is e power y into dy by dx equals to e power x minus e power y. And this can be written as e power 2x minus e power x into e power y. Now simply bringing this to the left side, so it becomes e power y dy by dx plus e power x into e power y equals to e power 2x. Now comparing with f dash of y dy by dx plus p into f of y equals to q. Put e power y equals to t. Then derivating this with respect to x, then it becomes e power y into dy by dx equals to dt by dx. After substituting this value, then the equation becomes dt by dx plus e power x into t equals to e power 2x. Now comparing with, see, this is now your linear differential equation. Comparing with dy by dx plus p into y equals to q. Now here p equals to e power x, q equals to e power 2x. Now integral factor becomes e power p dx, that is e power integration of e power x dx, which is equals to e power x. Now general solution becomes, what is your general solution? That is y into a equals to, let us take this as a, y into a integration of a into q dx plus c. Now this becomes y into a is e power x equals to, and a is e power x, and q is e power 2x dx plus c. So e power x, which is complicated, so let us put e power x is equals to something u. So by derivating this, it becomes, derivating this with respect to x, then it becomes e power x dx equals to du. So let us substitute this in this equation 2. Now it becomes y into e power x is u, and e power x is u, and this can be written as e power x into e power x dx. So e power x becomes u and e power x dx becomes du. Let's see. So now integrating these by parts. So it becomes, you know the rule eyelet. So here this is an algebraic term, this is exponential term. So according to eyelet, algebraic term is taken as u and the exponential is taken last. So this is our u and this is our v. So let us compare. So now integration becomes, you know, according to eyelet rule, the formula is integration of u v dx becomes integration of v dx minus integration of du by dx integral v dx whole dx, du minus integration of du by du becomes 1, and integration of e power u du whole du. So u e power u du becomes e power u minus integration of e power u becomes again u, and this becomes u e power u minus integration of e power u becomes e power u. Here the term is y into e power u, y into e power u, y into e power u. So this becomes e power u minus 1, y into e power u. 2 equals to e power x, that is y into e power x, e power x, e power x minus 1. Hence, at the end, the answer should be in the form of x and y.